If your boss showed up today and offered you a 10% pay raise, would you take it? No doubt. Duh. That's significant. So why do we undervalue the significance of a 10% increase in our health? In this Kiss from Kristin, I'm going to share with you what I see as the roadblocks where you're getting in your way of taking these 10% increases and what you can do to get past that so that you start improving your health. I'm Kristin Wood, your favorite body wellness coach, and I work with women who have had the wake-up call that their health is not going the direction that they want the rest of their life to look like. And they're ready to grab back all the 10% pieces of their health that they can. They just don't know what to do. They feel like they've done so many things that haven't worked, and they want some support and accountability so that they can figure out what is right for them and show up to do the thing. You see, I have a free Facebook group, Total You Transformation, women who drop diet culture and lose the weight. And when you request to join, there's a couple questions. One of them is, what is my biggest struggle around health? And hands down, the top answer is something with consistency, something with showing up to do the dang thing and getting in their head and not doing it. And this is where I want you to look at, what does consistency even look like for you? What does that mean? You know, you are a grown woman. You're not 5. You get to set the rules. You are your boss. And for me, consistency is every 5 weeks, I'm going to go get my roots colored. Every Wednesday and Sunday, I'm going to work on laundry. Consistency is every day, I'm going to log 10,000 steps. Consistency does not mean every day. You get to decide what is the container of consistency for the action that you want to do. So maybe you want to get movement every day, but you don't have an hour pocket of time. So you're saying, I don't have the time. I can't do it. What if you did 6 minutes? You took that 10% and you grabbed at that and you did 6 minutes of walking today. It adds up. I'm not in a dream world with unicorns and rainbows. I know it doesn't add up fast, but it adds up and it starts the ripple. And the ripple looks like when you start to feel like, man, that made a difference. I'm going to do more of it. And you do more of it because you recognize the difference versus you doing more because you're forcing yourself. That's where it gets to be easier. If you have a diet that is ultra processed food and the thought of going to a whole foods diet is just overwhelming, frankly, you don't know what the heck you would even eat, then consistency might be 3 days a week, you have one whole foods meal. That's a 10% shift in your health. It will make a difference. It will start to ripple. You just have to start. You have to set, what is my consistency with this action? And then when you say, look, hey, I'm going to have 3 whole foods meals a week, and you don't have to feel guilty for the rest of the meals, that makes a difference. That guilt and that stress, that low-level stress, that keeps the weight hanging on. So you decide what consistency looks like. And when you're ready to up-level your health and you want that 10%, I invite you in to my Total You Transformation Signature System. It's a 12-week program. I offer it in a group setting and a one-on-one setting. You decide what is the level of accountability that you need, and we'll go from there. You can always reach out to me for a free Unlock Your Wellness session, and we'll talk about what your goals are, what your struggles are, and you'll know by the end of that call what is your next best step to get past those struggles. I hope you took away something from here that you can start to take away those 10% health increases that you're just leaving up for grabs. Take some of those back. Start the ball rolling. Even when we think we're not doing anything worse, we're not doing anything better, but we're not doing anything worse, the needle is still moving. And if you're not doing anything better, the needle is moving towards the negative. So let's start that health shift, the positive health shift for you. And I look forward to seeing where this goes for you and how you get to have a total you transformation. I'll see you next week with another kiss from Kristin. Until then, reach out if you've got any questions. Bye-bye.